Good morning, YouTube. How's everyone doing today? We are in Tayasan. We are headed up into the mountains. We're going to go visit Agnes's cousin today. Then we're going to come back down and I think we're going to go hit the public market for a second. Then we'll be heading back home. You know, today we've been living on our property for 1 year now to the day. And I've been looking at my banana trees. I feel like a proud father today. We have bananas growing from our trees. We have 2 plants that are getting ready to have banana flowers. I can't believe it. 9 months, we're going to have bananas on our trees. You know, they started out only 4 feet tall, but we're going to have bananas here shortly. Probably within the next month or 2, we will start having bananas. But anyway, we'll see you guys on the road, and we're heading up towards the mountains. Okay guys, we just pulled off the highway and we are headed up the mountains to visit Agnes's cousins. They live way up here, almost on top of this mountain. We're gonna go up there and visit them for a while, see how everything's going up there. Then I'm not sure what we're gonna do. I think we're gonna go back to town, and we have a few things we have to take care of, but we're gonna go up there and visit them for a while. Yeah, I can't believe we've been paying on our property for 1 year. We've been paying, oh my goodness, we got over halfway paid on our property, thank goodness. We already have our house paid for. The house is already paid for what we have. I mean, we don't have a whole lot, but we're getting close to building our house. I told Agnes, it's just live what we got. We basically have like a studio apartment, basically. It's livable. I mean, it's very comfortable. We stay nice and dry and nice and cool, and it's a great place. We got kitchen, bathroom, we have it all. Thank goodness. Once we get everything paid for, we are going to start building the house. Yeah, this is a beautiful morning. Look at all this. My goodness. Good day for a ride up to the mountains. Hello. Good morning. Yeah, we're making pretty good time going up the mountain. This road is very rough. Agnes is back there hitting me on the back for some reason. I thought she saw someone she knew. Startled me for a second. Yeah, they've been working hard on this road. They got just about have it all paved or concreted all the way up there. I'm not sure what they finished it at, but they've been working hard on this. Yeah, next year we'll have everything paid off. The house, the lot, motorcycle. We have what's called a home credit loan. We bought a lot of stuff with that. All that stuff will be paid for next year. Thank goodness. We'll be free and clear. Then we are going to start building the bigger part of the house. Yeah, keep looking at all these telephone poles or power line poles. I'm just saying what all they have. I need to put different poles out there on our place. I'm just trying to figure out what everybody has. Everybody's got something different. Some people just tie it into the pole, just a pole with like a screw and a piece of wire up there hanging the power line up there. Then some people have insulators and all that. Hello. But yeah, everything's a little different here. Everybody does something a little different. I want to be sure I'm in code. I don't want to get in any trouble or have any type of short, and that would be the worst thing. Good morning. All right, here we go. This is almost straight up here. All right, here's our turn. Honey, get off. You walk up. Go ahead, walk on up. And I'm gonna let her get a little head start on me. Keep looking back. Wait on me. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and go. Oh, come on, honey. Go, 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 go. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna stall the bike. All right. Oh, there's Angel. Little Angel. All right, guys. Okay, guys, we made it back home from the mountains. We took care of a lot of things. We went shopping in Tayasan. We even went swimming today for a little bit, but we made it home now. We just got through planting a few trees in the front, trying to get everything taken care of here on our property. 1 year today, exactly, we have lived on this property. 12 months, I'll be damned. I can't believe it. We've been here for 12 months on our own property. We hadn't had a whole lot of money to work with. I mean, we've been doing so much. We try to double up a lot of our payments, try to get everything taken care of. It's taking just about everything we have. But we have our own property and we have our own house. But I appreciate everyone supporting us and subscribing to our channel. We are definitely growing. We're getting close to that 2,000 mark. But anyway, I appreciate everyone watching our videos, and we will definitely catch you guys on the very next video. Peace out.